How to shorten a video in the Samsung Gallery app. Want to shorten a video on your Samsung device but not sure how? Here's how you can easily trim a video directly from the gallery without needing any additional apps. First, open the gallery and find the video you want to shorten. Tap on the video to open it. Next, tap on the pencil or edit icon to enter editing mode. You'll see a trimming bar at the bottom of the screen. Drag the endpoints of the bar inward to set the start and end points of the part of the video you want to keep. I will shorten only the end of the video. Once you've selected the part of the video you want to keep, tap Save to save the edited video. And that's it. Your video will now be saved in its shortened format. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out other tutorials and subscribe to the channel.